Hi, today I want to talk about the contingency leadership theories and how the contingency leadership theories can be applied among 21st century leaders. What is a leader? The concept of a leader is based on the idea that a leader's effectiveness is determined by how well their leadership style fits a specific situation. We know, as a leader, that I will face many situations at the bad or good situation, and then this leader, like or not, they must face all of these situations. What is contingency leadership theories? We look here. Contingency theory is based on the idea that the effectivity of a leader is dependent upon how well their leadership style matches a given situation. Sometimes we can see that there are an effective leadership in one circumstance, and sometimes we can see also an effective leadership in one situation. There is a leader. There are four contingency leadership models. The first one is Fielder's contingency theory. Second, the situational leadership theory. The third, the path code theory. And the fourth, the decision-making theory. We look for Fielder's contingency theory. In 1951, Fred E. Fielder began to develop the first situational leadership theory. It was the first theory to specify how situational variables interact with leader personality and behavior. In order to use the Fielder's contingency leadership theory, the leader must use or must follow these three steps. Step number 1, identify the leadership style by answering the question using LPC scale. If the score of the answering is 73 and below, it means this is relationship-oriented leader. If the score is 54 and below, it means this is task-oriented leader. And if the score is 55 and 72, this is the mixture of both of them. And the leader must choose which one is suited for him or herself. Step number 2. Understand the situation of leader. Is that the trust of the member is low or high, or the power of the authority is low or high? And the step number 3 is find the right leadership style for the leader. How the contingency leadership theories can be applied among 21st century leaders. For example, you is a new teacher with your service is less than 3 years. One day, you are appointed as a leader to conduct one program. And what should you do in order to make sure this program runs successfully at the end of the day? The first one, you must know about the trust of your colleague. You know the trust is low because you is a new one. The second one, about the task of the structure, must be high. Because why? Because as a leader, you must know everything. From the parking of the VVIP, maybe the script if the VVIP need to speech, and the souvenir, you must know everything. And the third one is the authority, the power of authority. And you have the ability to hire or maybe to fire if your colleague if your colleague is not perform very well. And from these 3 points, we can see that the best contingency leadership theories that can apply for you is relationship oriented leader. That's all from me. Thank you, everyone.